Hey everybody, we finally made it back up here today and going to get a video pushed out. We've kind of neglected that a little bit. We're going to tinker around here on some sheetrock today and putting this vent in down here so we can get a return vent so we can get a filter in. We're going to do that, and then we've got a short update at the end of this video of kind of where we're at and why we've been missing in action for the last 3 months. So stick around, we'll get this vent put in and we'll talk to you a little bit more here in a few minutes. Thank you. We're going to cut this back out after I've done it once and put this in here. It's for a filter to drop into. Open it up and drop your filter in. It'll be right here, handy to get to. But I just got to do some of this. But we want our filter in here because we're going to be making a lot of dust. And it'll be here easy to get to. If you remember, we moved this from over here on the floor to here 6 months ago, I guess. I just cut a return in it the same size as that was, just to make sure we had the airflow. That filter will be a little bigger, let a little more air through, but that'll be good, more filter area. I'm gonna cut this out and figure out where that's gonna set and then re-sheetrock it after that. So we may wind up with a scrap or two here, but it'll just be a little extra mudding. And I love mudding. Not really. That's not the truth. No. It's not. Man.
Need me to hold it on this end?
I think I can do it, maybe. Want to do here for sure. Whoopsie. So, and then let's see what we got. If I got the cut I need. I think so. So I'm gonna make some more cuts up through. That's a knot. Yep.
They're gonna work?
Yep. It is. Now then, let's see what we got.
So much better than in the floor.
Yep.
Just sucked it right in there, didn't it?
Yeah. Wrong way. There it is, but it's still able to draw from the other side, so.
Yeah. That's our next project.
Yeah.
Anybody in there?
Are you still there? Oh, yeah, you are. Well, we've kind of been on hiatus for about 3 months. We have still been working up here some. And we got a long way to go still yet. Done some work outside, some work inside, and working at home. But we have several videos that we haven't gotten ready to put out yet on this house, and we may not get them put out. We may just have to kind of pick up where we was at. We had trouble with our editing software and getting things uploaded like we need to, so we got new software now, and we're going to start getting some stuff pushed out again. So I think we have a video coming out tomorrow afternoon, which would be Sunday. This is Saturday evening. Tomorrow we'll get one out, for first one for about 3 months, I think. So we're going to try to get back on track and get some videos out for you and get you caught up on where we're at. I think the video for tomorrow is actually working at my mom's house and taking care of some stuff for her and outside. So anyway, we're still around. We appreciate everybody who's been watching our videos. We've still had a lot of views the whole time we've been down, so we do appreciate that, and we have several new subscribers, so we appreciate y'all, and we're going to try to get back on track here and getting some videos pushed out. We appreciate y'all, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you.
Thank you.